fat and
Yeah.
young, everybody's on a diet. Linda, you look fantastic. How much weight have you lost since the divorce? 200 pounds. Of course, I didn't send me that was husband. No, really, how did you lose all the weight? I went to the psychic in Christmas. She told me something that changed my life. What'd she say? Linda, you're too damn fat. Well, psychics are just a little kooky for me. I weigh my food. Oh. Well, this is good. Now that we've settled all the food issues, we can